Hello friends, welcome back. This is Shruti Shammi. Hot tomato soup served with crunchy sandwich is a classic combination. Today I will show you how to make tomato soup from scratch and a quick egg sandwich to serve along with it. So let's move in. For the egg sandwich, I've taken 2 boiled eggs. I'm going to gently smash it with a fork. Once done, add some butter, some chopped onion, next goes in chopped coriander leaves, salt to taste, some mayonnaise, and finally some pepper powder. Mix all the ingredients. Now the filling is ready. Let's spread some butter over the bread slices. Now spread the filling evenly on both the bread slices. Bring together the slices and toast them in a sandwich maker. You can also use a skillet for toasting. Now the sandwich is ready. Remove and place it on a serving plate. Next, we'll make the tomato soup. To a heated soup pot, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of butter, throw in some chopped garlic, saute for a while, then add in chopped onion, I've taken 4 tomatoes and I'm going to chop them. Once done, add them to the pot and season with salt and peppercorns. Cover and cook until they turn soft. Now the tomatoes are well cooked. I'm going to add 1 cup of chicken stock. Now blend all the ingredients to a smooth puree. Once done, strain it. After straining, the soup goes back to the pot. Add 1 cup of chicken stock. This is optional. Add some butter to smoothen it. And finally add in some cornstarch slurry. Allow to simmer for a few more minutes. Once thickens, switch off the flame. So the hot soup and crunchy egg sandwich is ready to be served. I hope you loved it. If so, do try it out and leave your comments. Thank you for watching.